Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Matthew Pascal. I'm a programming student at Grand Canyon University. I'm going to be using Microsoft Visual Studio 2015 and Open Broadcaster to create some videos and tutorials on how to create a simple Windows form. With this video, we're going to be creating some buttons and a text box, and we're going to see how they can work together, as well as how to set up a layout for those buttons. So we'll go to File here. We'll go to New, Project. We'll go to Windows Form. And we'll just name it Windows Forms Applications. We'll go ahead and expand this so we have it across the screen. We'll add a button, a text box, and a label here. For the label, I want to change the font, so we'll go ahead and click on the font, click on the dots here. We'll change it to bold. Let's say we want it to be 26. We want a fairly big label here. We want a button or a text box. For the text box, we'll go ahead and unanchor it because we don't want it to move if we resize the window. Same thing with the button here. We'll unanchor it. On the button, we'll also change the name to Action Button, and we'll change the text here to Action. If we want to change the background color on the button, we go here, we can change it to System, Web, or Custom Color. I want a custom color for my button, but I don't really like any of those colors. So we're going to go ahead and rename it. We're just going to make it blue. And now we have a blue button here. And just select all three of these right here. We'll just make sure that they're all unanchored. Anchor position doesn't look like they're anchored. If we want to center them, we'll click the first thing that we want it to center to, and we'll control click the other two. We'll click Align Centers, Align Center, Align Left, Align Right, middles, tops, bottoms. We can make them the same width, the same size, same height, and this is what I want. We want to make the vertical spacing equal. That way they look a little bit better. Now that we have those set up, we can go ahead and double click the button here. I want a new string variable to catch what's in the text box. I want to get what's in the text box and put it in the label. So we want label1 dot text is equal to text. And we'll have a message box show us that the button's been clicked. So if we save this, we'll go back over the form design and we'll run our program using F5. Using F5, we get this. We can click into the text box here, and we'll type "Hello World." We'll click our button. Our button was clicked, and our text changed just like we wanted it to. Click OK here. But as you can see, it didn't load in full screen. So we'll go ahead and close that. We'll click on anywhere in the form here. We'll scroll down. Here you can see we either have Windows state as normal. You can set it to minimized or maximized when it's open. I like it to be maximized. So we'll go ahead and save it. And we'll hit F5. We should see it's maximized. These are all in the center, pretty much where they are here on this form. If, for instance, you had anchored them, say if I anchored this button here, anchor it to the top and bottom, and the left and right, and we run the program, you can see that the button is pretty big here. It pretty much encompasses all of the text box and the label. If we anchor it just to the left and right, You'll see that the button stretches across when we run it with F5. It makes it a longer button and anchors it here to the sides. Of course, we can click it. There's nothing in here, so it doesn't say a label. If we put something in here, of course, it does change our label. But that's why I like to have it unanchored. When you click it, and you unanchor it here from either of the sides or the top and bottom, and then you run it, you can see the button looks similar to how it looks in our actual designer there. That's about it for this video. If you liked it, please make sure to like and subscribe. You can comment below. I hope you have a great day.